Hello everyone, and welcome to Train Talk. In the 6th episode of Train Talk, I discussed different types of freight trains. I did not, however, discuss all the different types of freight cars, and there are many. So today, I'm going to talk about all the common types of freight cars that you can see out on the main line today and what purposes they serve. Let's get started. Boxcars are some of the most basic and versatile freight cars you will see on the main lines today. They are quite simply a box on wheels with sliding doors on each side for loading and unloading. While they were in the past used for hauling finished products to market, they are now primarily used for hauling raw materials to factories. Everything from coffee beans to paper can be found inside a boxcar. Sometimes boxcars have also been modified with refrigeration units on one end. They are called refrigerator cars and are used for transporting fresh produce, all while staying nice and cool. Another very important type of freight car is a hopper car. Hopper cars exclusively carry uniformly shaped raw materials such as coal, grains, or even plastic pellets. These materials are loaded from the top of the car and are discharged through hatches on the underside of the car. Hopper cars come in two types, covered and open top. The covered hoppers also have hatches in the roof of the car so that they can be loaded. Materials that can be damaged in transit by being exposed to the open air, such as grains, are carried in covered hoppers, while materials that do not need the extra protection, such as coal, are carried in open top hoppers. The next type of freight car is a gondola car. These cars are similar to an open-top hopper car, except that they have a flat bottom with no hatches, and the sides of a gondola are typically much shorter. However, you should note that the only real distinction between a gondola car and an open-top hopper is that a gondola has a flat bottom with no openings. For example, some gondola cars used to haul wood chips have high sides that are actually taller than most open-top hoppers. Gondola cars must be loaded and unloaded from the top. They almost exclusively carry raw materials such as rocks and scrap iron, but occasionally they carry larger finished products. Gondolas are often used for carrying large, heavy steel coils, usually with a rounded protective covering over the top. We've moved slowly from freight cars with sides and a roof to open-top cars with shorter sides, so the next car we're going to talk about has no sides at all. These cars are called Flatcars. Flatcars are used for carrying larger items that need to be tied down. They can carry everything from construction equipment to tractors and even airplanes in some cases. However, one of the most common types